We have excellent video. We have cylinder 200 million and it comes from the pressure that we are going to use. It's going to be 200 million pascals or 2000 bars or like 20 elephants on top of teaspoon or something in freedom units. It's going to be a lot and we are going to use that pressure to extrude stuff like Nutella and other items. We have so many ideas for this that it's great. What we are going to use to like squeeze this out, like hole, these. They are 0.4 and 0.2 millimeter holes. I think you cannot see them. It's like bare eye. You cannot see like any hole here. If you look like towards light, you see like one dot here, like one pixel. I think your eyes don't have pixels, but like one spot with like stars in the sky. And it's really tiny hole, but it's also shitload of pressure, so I think it's going to come through. And yeah, we're going to first try with Nutella. And of course we need target. Let's use bread. I want to do like hollow bread that's full of Nutella. I think it's going to go through like laser beam or something, but only one way to find out. It's like it's like opposite of like Taco Bell. Okay, enough of that. Okay, we are ready. I have 0.4 millimeter nozzle to start with, and then we have our Nutella test bread there. And we are going to be behind the blast shield because the Nutella is going to probably come out at lethal speeds. It's going to cut everything. And also I'm a bit afraid that I'm going to catch diabetes from the smoke alone. So, interesting to see. I think it's going to go through the bread without any problems, but this is a good place to start. Here it goes. Uh-oh. It looks like that the piston is slightly bent, that the Nutella doesn't come out. This is how hard we pushed it in. The piston head sink here, and yeah, but the cylinder clearly doesn't explode and the nozzle clearly doesn't fly away, so it's up to the task. Okay, now it's surely going to come out, and I checked and it's about 1 millimeter bent already on the piston. I think after Nutella we are going to straighten it up, but I think this is going to go just fine like this. You try. Something already. I think the Nutella is uneven. Yeah, there is like mark on the polycarbonate. Yeah, it was like wet fart.
Wet fart.
Yeah,
Okay.
but behave. But the fart is the sharpest thing ever. It can go through the pants without making a hole. I think this is the similar thing. Yeah, be careful, there might be still some pressure. We have to like, I'm going to aim this there. There is hardly anything wrong with the, holy shit, that's dangerous. It like just farted through the, farted through the bread. That's something different when you have wet fart and there isn't anything on your pants because even the wetness goes through. That's next level shit. Yeah.
Okay.
What is the problem with our freaking Nutella thing? Keeps getting stuck. I think that there is like pieces of nut or something that are larger than 0.4 millimeter. So we have to use like 1 millimeter hole here. Okay, now we have 1 millimeter hole, and while inspecting the 0.4 millimeter hole, the nozzle snapped in two. So we are clearly pushing the system And the piston is even bendier after each crush. I think when we get the Nutella out, I'm going to straighten it and then make it much shorter. It's too long now. Oh my god! Oh my god! Ooh. Ooh, okay, I'm going to aim this away from the everybody. I'm going to now taste the bread. Doesn't look like super bad. Let's take a like slice. Yeah, tastes like diabetes. Yeah, I think we are going to throw watermelon in because why not? I decided to ditch the watermelon. The mess is already terrible. So we went straight to ballistic gelatin and there we have our ballistic squirrel, squirtle, rat with the tail. You can Hanna try to pronounce it.
Squirrel.
Yeah, that's the thing. And I add the like this camera view. Let's say it's Taco Bell cam. you can see how it goes. Yeah, I think we ran out. Ooh, that was a gruesome end to the squirrel.
I don't know because squirrels likes nuts. So
Yeah. I think the like medical term for this condition is a shithead. The Nutella was terrible idea. We're going to extrude something totally different next. Something that we can push through the 0.2 millimeter nozzle. And after the Nutella we couldn't get the cylinder open. Turns out that the hole for the nozzle isn't completely bottom of the cylinder. So the piston went past that and it got like vacuum locked to bottom. So I had to make a new hole and push it out with the pressurized air. And also the rod was quite bent. So we have to straighten that and made it shorter. And at that point the day was already quite late. So we decided to continue this madness on next week's video. Please let me know what do you wanna see extruded through the 0.2 millimeter hole. At least we are going to try butter, but I think we need to try also something else. And we have all the other hole sizes also. And this cylinder can take the full force of the press, so you can be quite creative.